Henley's Floor and Home Pros is a family-owned and ran company. We specialize in flooring, cabinets, countertops, remodels. We're truly a one-stop shop here in Surprise, Arizona. A business is only as good as its people. All of them are experts in their field, and they're really good at listening and providing a great service.
With our budget-conscious homeowners, we really just like to hear what they think. So you kind of take the big picture and then break it down to, okay, what is in your budget? Or maybe let's look in the best interest of what square footage you have and go from the different materials. At our showroom, we have a plethora of different options. So that can be whether you want carpet, tile, LVP. We can work with everybody, but we also have payment plans as well for our customers. As a homeowner, I feel like you should really look into one, your budget, and then two, the different ideas. So you kind of have to break it down. Number one, budget, but then number two, what is realistic in your space? So kind of determining those two factors. When it comes to clients wanting to remodel bathrooms or kitchens, they're really looking for specific elements that they maybe have been missing in their own home. That could be just from a recent idea to just, I've been in this home for 20 years, I want all new cabinets, or maybe they just want to do just countertops or countertops and a backsplash. So with that, I would just say it's personal preference. And then as far as bathrooms go, I feel like a lot of homeowners are wanting to see a spa-like bathroom. So we can convert a little tub enclosure to a whole walk-in luxurious shower, and that can also include whether you want curbless or a curb shower. That can be doing all the cabinets, countertops, new floorings in there as well. Spa-like showers, it's really going to give the homeowner their own type of unique touch to their space. You know, I feel like a lot of families, or women especially, they spend a lot of time near the vanity, or they just want a day to relax, a moment to relax after, you know, crazy work day, being with the kids. So it's kind of like you're walking into your own designed spa. I'm seeing a big trend of they just want big open spaces and just a lot, and be able to utilize all their space, whether that be in the shower or for a double sink vanity.
Well, not only are our sales and design professionals experts in their field, but my installers are too. My wood foreman and my two wood crews, they install wood. My tile crews, they install tile. My carpet guy, he installs carpet. I'd like to welcome you to come to our showroom and speak with one of my wonderful sales associates and tell us what you're looking for, and we'll do our best to help you out. But if Surprise is too far, we'll come to you. Just go to our website and fill out a form, or give us a call and we'll come see you.